Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Oppo Find X3 Neo. Firstly, go into Play Store on both and get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Following that, in order to set it up, you need to tap on the same options on both smartphones. Begin by clicking on I agree at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oppo. Also on Oppo, tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Then tap on Close this window and go back to an Android. Finally, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can choose multiple files to transfer. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Select Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon right next to Input key on Oppo. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!